So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Endurance. So today we're gonna be cooking fried rice, king prawn fried rice. So I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, those who liked my previous videos, those who shared, and I just want to say thank you very much. So this is the rice I'm gonna be using. It's basmati rice. So I've got ginger and garlic. I've got the sliced onions. I've got curry, and I've got thyme. I've got my Knorr cubes in powder form, and I've got my nutmeg in it as well. So this is the Knorr cube I used for my seasoning. So I've also got my oil, sunflower oil, and don't forget the mixed veg as well. I got that from Iceland. Yeah, and I've got my prawns. So let's start the cooking. And guys, don't forget, I do not parboil my rice. I just washed it and cooked, right from the start. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking. This is my pan. I'm gonna put my oil in it after it's been heated. Okay. So now I'm gonna wait for it to heat for like 3 minutes, and then I put my sliced onions into my oil. So we'll let it stir fry for like let's say 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my king prawn. I season it with garlic and ginger. So, and curry as well, don't forget. So I'm gonna stir fry this for like let's say 5 minutes, and yeah, so make sure you stir fry on low heat, please, so you do not burn the king prawn while stir frying. Okay, so we're gonna leave it for like 5 minutes, as I've said, to stir fry. And don't forget, it's all seasoned. It's all seasoned. Oh, I just can't wait to have this. Okay, so after 5 minutes, so I need to take out all the king prawns that I've just stir fried. And then I'm gonna use the oil for my fried rice. Please do not waste it. So this is my mixed veg, so I just pour it to stir fry as well for like 3 minutes. So do not leave it for a long time so it doesn't get too soft. And then don't forget your seasoning. I put my thyme, curry, and put my Knorr cube as well. So season to taste, everyone. Season to taste. If you're the type of person that doesn't like too much seasoning, just season as you want it to taste. So season to taste. So this is after 3 minutes. So I'm gonna scoop everything out, and then we're gonna start the main thing. That is the rice. Okay. Yeah, guys. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget, do not waste the oil. You can reuse it. So this is my pot. I've washed my rice already. So now I'm gonna start frying. Yeah, so I'm gonna add all my seasoning as well. I'm gonna add my onions, just mix well. I'm gonna put my curry, stir a little bit. Add the thyme, and because this is a big cooking, so make sure your seasoning is enough for the size you're cooking. So that's my Knorr cube and nutmeg. So, and now I've washed my rice, don't forget. So I'm now going to pour it into the pot. Yes. So mix a little bit while you pour the rice. Yeah, guys, and I love the color. Look at it. Golden color. Golden color. Just here. So make sure the ingredients is mixed. And this is my Scotch bonnet. So don't forget. I'll just put it in straight away. And because this is basmati rice, and you do not need too much water. So first you need to add just a little bit of water that covers the rice, and then you cook on low heat because basmati rice cooks very quick, and if you put too much water it's going to be soggy, and we don't want that. We want the rice to stand out. We don't want it sticky. So this is after 10 minutes of cooking on low heat. So there's still a little bit of water, so I'm still gonna cover it and cook on low heat for another 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. So as you can see, there isn't too much water in it anymore. So now I'm going to add, and when you're mixing, please do not mix from the from the bottom of the pot so it doesn't burn. So I'm gonna add all my mixed veg, my prawns, and now it's time for steaming. So mix well so that all the mixed veg and the rice is mixed together. So I'm loving the color. It looks so lovely. I'm salivating already. I can't just wait to have this. Yeah. So mix, and do not mix from the bottom. So mix it thoroughly. And then yeah, we're gonna leave it to steam for 5 minutes, and then on low heat. So please do not cook on high heat so that it's not because this is basmati rice, so you have to be very careful when cooking it. So most of the time it needs just a little bit of water and more steaming. So we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes to steam, and then we're gonna check it, and wow, wee. So this is after 5 minutes, guys. It's looking lovely. It's looking lovely, guys. So if you want to try this recipe, so leave a comment so I know how you're doing, and if you like my video, give us a thumbs up, share with families and friends. And this is another, after 5 minutes again. So actually it doesn't take that long to make fried rice, to be honest. It's very quick. So that's it. So this is king prawn fried rice, guys. You can use, chicken. You can use anything to cook your fried rice, but this is how I make my own fried rice. King prawn fried rice, Nigerian fried rice. Oh. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.